What's up guys, it's your girl Neesyraychelle and I'm back with another video, and this video is part 2 to our part 5 series of Valentine's Day looks. Again, like I said in the last video, each look will become more advanced, so the videos will become a little shorter because I won't go through every product that I'm using. I will only go over the Valentine look portion of it. So with that being said, stay tuned. Go ahead and like the video, turn on your post notifications, and subscribe, and let's get into this look. Alright guys, so let's get into this look. I already have my brows done because I just can't do that on camera right now. But the look that I'm going for is a little more dramatic than the last time because first Valentine's Day look just needed, in my opinion, to be something that wasn't so like in your face. So this look will be just a little bit more than the last one, but you know, not too much. Still, well, it ain't that bad. But let's go ahead and set the eyes. So like I said, I did my brows already, and I already have my concealer on my lid. So now I'm going to take my Morphe powder and just add that to my lid as well. Alright, so for this particular look, I will be using two different palettes from Juvia's Place. I'll be using the ZULU, and I'll also be using the SAHARAN too. So out of those two palettes, I have chosen this burgundy, the orange up in this corner, and possibly this whitish color. And then out of the ZULU palette, I will be using the purple, the pink, and the orange. This looks orange like when looking back into the camera, but yeah. So those are the colors I will be using. I'm probably not going to talk about all the brushes that I'm using this time around either. I'm just going to do the eyeshadow, and y'all cross your fingers and wish me luck because, you know, we all trying to get it together. Alright, so looking at the picture, it looks like they started with the burgundy. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that. My brushing start with the burgundy, of course. I'm going to go in with the pink around that. Alright, so that's what we're looking like so far. Probably going to take brush and kind of blend. Alright, now we're going to go in and not necessarily cut the crease, but cut the crease. always like to like set this so it's not, you know, too liquidy. Is that what I'm trying to say? I don't know, y'all, but I'm going to use my translucent powder by Patrick Starr, the one size translucent powder. Alright, so now that I have the translucent powder on, I'm going to go in with the orange. I think I'm going to start off with the brighter orange and then go in with the orange that has the glitter in it. And I'm hoping this is dark enough, but we're about to find out. It don't look like it. Alright, so now we are going to go in with that white. So as you can see, I did leave that little slit on both sides, and that's where we will fill in this like sparkly like white color, I guess. Aziza is what it's called. I feel like I have to keep sitting up so that it focuses on my eyes. Alright, so now that I've done that, I am going to go back in with this purple out of the Zulu palette to be like my smoky color, because it is kind of a smoky eye. That is how we're looking. I am going to take a clean brush and like blend all of this out like on my lid so there's not anything too harsh. Period. So that's my eyes. I will be back with my full face because y'all already know how I do that, and so y'all can see the final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I put my lashes on, styled my hair, made me like a little faux bang type thing. I put my extra nose ring in, and I just did these studs with the rhinestones in it because it matches my necklace. So that is what I did. y'all know I don't never know what lashes I have on because I take them out their boxes and I don't put them back. So I can't tell y'all what they are, but I just did something light, not too full, not too long, just enough. And for my lips, I used the color Madeline by NYX. It is one of their butter glosses. And it's just like a pinky nude color that I put on. And yeah, that is it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Of course, it's something quicker because this is a little more advanced, but stay tuned for the next one because we're going all the way up to Valentine's Day. So this is just look number 2. We have 3 more to go. So with that being said, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you know when I post the next video. I love you all so much and thank you for watching. Always stay chic.